Welcome to the Anything Auto channel. Here we have a 2000 Pontiac Grand Dam. We have the rear trailing arm that needs to be replaced on this one. I will warn you, my camera's still not fixed, so the GoPro overheated again and deleted the end of my footage like it did on my last posted video. We're going to get it fixed here shortly. Parts are in the mail. So we're going to remove these 5 19mm lug nuts. Now in this section that connects to the frame of the vehicle, we're going to be dealing with a 18mm nut on the front, and then the back by the gas tank, it's just a 18mm bolt. I'm just using a deep 18mm socket with the breaker bar to hold it, and a nice swivel bit up front to help maneuver around the wheel well. Now this one's going to fall. Yours probably won't fall depending on how bad it is. This one actually broke off inside the knuckle, which I'm about to discover next. And always put your nuts back on the bolt so you don't lose them. Can't stress that enough. So here's the bottom part. That's a 15mm bolt. That just part to come right out, and those rubber grommets should pull on both sides of the knuckle. But this one is completely seized on there. And if you look in the middle of that rubber grommet, there's the rest of the trailing arm. So we're going to get it hot, and I'm going to beat it through with the hammer. At this point, I already cooked it, so now I'm just going to give it a couple horrible sideways swings, and it pops out. And then we're going to clean the surface area. Now the surface area inside that bottom part of the knuckle is clean. I'm just going to test the fitment real quick. Now that I see that it works, I'm just going to give it a little bit of lube. Now it's easier to put the trailing arm into the knuckle first and get that cap right there and the bolt started, and then raise the frame part up into place. It's just such a simple job. Like I said, it's going to cut off the rest of the half, but this job was quoted at $680. So since I helped you save a bunch of money, if you can, hit that super thanks button and help support and grow the channel. And I just put back that bolt. Easier said than done while, laying on my back, but it's easier if you sit on the side of the car once you get the bolt started, and it'll go all the way in. Fairly easy. And there's the nut, last step.